So I'm putting together women's homeless care packages, and I am including pamphlets on the community services here in Salem, Oregon, Marion County. So I have 2-in-1. Basically, if you're a person in need of resources, you basically just call 2-in-1, and they provide information if you need assistance, like in housing, job opportunities, doctors. They will hook you up. Next, I have family abuse protection, restraining orders, and stalking protective orders. It kind of goes over the basic information and how you would apply and if you qualify for a restraining order. Next is homeless services. They provide information if you're homeless and if you have a child going to school, what are your rights. So I have some useful tips and tricks in there for you. Stalking goes over what stalking is, how you can get a stalking order. So this is really helpful. Being a mom through a crisis. This goes over if you're a victim of domestic violence and how you can help your children and yourself with that process. Planning for your safety also kind of goes over if you're a DV victim and you want to have an escape route, and so this kind of helps you plan for that. For example, finding a safe place to live, always having money in case you need to go right away, transportation, food. So it's a really helpful resource. Next, I have the Center for Hope and Safety, which used to be formerly known as the Mid-Valley Women's Crisis Center, but they have since then changed that. And then they go over, they have a 24-hour crisis hotline. They kind of go over the myths and facts. And also they have a undisclosed house for victims of stalking, domestic violence, sexual assault, human trafficking, but they have their own qualifications to live there, so we'd have to call them and talk to them. And last is the sexual assault facts, and that kind of goes over the myths and facts about sexual assault. Most people think that sexual assault happens to people who are strangers, when in fact most people who are sexually assaulted, they're being sexually assaulted by people they know.